Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add your WordPress website to Yandex Webmaster tools. It's almost like the Google Webmaster, the Google Search Console, but from Russia, okay? So, before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to this address, webmaster.yandex.com/welcome. And click on add site. You're gonna be redirected to the login or create account page, okay? Create your account and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. First thing, you need to enter with your domain name. So go to your site, copy the domain, enter right here and click on add. Now the Yandex is gonna request you to enter with a meta tag. You can enter a DNS record, meta tag, HTML file, and other options right here, okay? But I recommend that you use meta tag and copy this part right here, okay? After content, copy these codes right here, just like this, okay? Then go to your site dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus. Remember to access WordPress dashboard, your domain plus WP admin, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugin, and hit on add plugin. We're gonna be installing a free plugin, so just click right here and type SEO, just like this. Install this guy right here, Yoast SEO, advanced SEO with real-time generate build with an AI, okay? No worries, just click on install, and after you're gonna go back to your WordPress dashboard. The plugin gonna try to know more about your site. They're gonna ask you to enter a name after other things, and go back to your dashboard. Hover mouse over Yoast SEO. You're gonna be able to see this button as soon as you install the plugin, and go to settings, okay? Submenu. Once on settings, review this middle sidebar. We have general, site features, site basics, site representation, and site connections. The guy that I'm looking for is site connections. Right here, you can enter your Baidu, Bing, Google, Pinterest, and Yandex. So, place the code right here and save your change. The code that you just have copied right here. Changes are saved, okay? Great. Now, click on verify. Check is in progress. We could not find the tag yet. No worries, it's cache. Go to your site. If you are using some cache plugin like mine, I'm using WP Rocket. Click on Purge All or Purge this URL. Clean and preload cache. Up to you, okay? Just like this. And let's repeat the process. Now, as you can see, I'm the owner of the site. Meta tag has been found and I'm good to go. Simple, right? I can enter other users in the case that I want, but the site is already here. And you can manage the site from here and manage how your site appears into the search engine on Russia users, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!